Quick revision of chapter 6 lines and angles of NCERT. These are some basic terms. Adjacent angles, it's separated by one ray. These are vertically opposite angles. Now see intersecting line, non-intersecting line. These are intersecting lines. Non-intersecting lines means parallel lines. Now see, these are also adjacent angle, but these angles are on one line, so we can say the linear pair. See, all adjacent angles cannot be on the linear pair, but this linear pair, the angles are adjacent. So these angles on straight line, that's why we are saying this is linear pair. If these angles are more than one or two angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, we will say the angles on a straight line. And some of these angles are always 180 degree. These are supplementary angles. Now see, this is 150 obtuse angle, acute angle, and this angle will say the reflex of these angles. The angle, total angle sum at this point, center is 360, and this angle remaining is called the reflex of another angle. Suppose this angle is 160 degree, so this angle will be 200, because total central angle sum is 360. So this angle is reflex of other angle. 160 is reflex of this angle, and 200 degrees reflex of 160. So this is a reflex angle. And these are very simple concept. As you know, the vertically opposite angles are always equal. Now come to some important examples and questions. See example 1, the ratio based question. In ratio based questions, you have to solve with the ratio property. See, in very simple steps we are solving. This is given 5:7. Two angles are given 5:7, POR and ROQ. And since these two angles are on straight line, so the sum is 180. So in this kind of the questions, you have to write simple and even part and total sum 5 and 7, 12, and multiply by actual sum. The actual sum will be 180, because these are linear pair, and we can solve it. Similarly, other 7 upon 12 into 180. And another method is that you can suppose the angles are 5x and 7x. Since the sum is 180, and you can solve it by using this way. 12x is 180. So x is 180 upon 12. X is 15. So by keeping this value in 5x and 7x, you can find out the angles. So this is one kind of the method. This is quick method for MCQ questions especially. Now see student, example number 2 is very important, and solution is given somehow tedious. We'll see with the very easy step. See, this is given that OR and OT are bisectors, angle bisectors. It means these two angles and these two angles are equal to each other, and we need to find ROT, angle ROT. So these are bisectors. So let us suppose this angle is X and this angle is X, because bisectors of both angles are equal. And on this side, let us suppose YY, because OT is also bisector. We need to find this ROT, red color I mark here. Now see, these angles are on straight line, so total sum will be 180. 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. X 2x, y 2y. So x plus y, 2 will come here, 180 upon 2. So this is 90. X plus y is 90, means x plus y. See this red color, x plus y. So we can write ROT. So very simple. ROT is equal to 90 degree. So instead of using this solution, you can do the practice like this. Now see example 3, I am explaining you the very easy step, and this question will draw the line construction. We have to prove that the all angle sum is 360 degree. So on this side it is 180 linear pair, on this side angles on straight line 180. So this all 180, the total sum will be 360. So we can do it directly. POQ, QR, SOR plus POS 360 degree. An exercise question we already done. In the previous video you can see in the playlist class 9th maths. You do the practice of second question necessarily. This kind of the question might become an examination, and another is fourth, and this one fifth. These are very important. I already given the solution. Now see the very useful concept, lines parallel to same line. These lines are given LMN. L is parallel to M. N is parallel to M. So in both M is common, therefore L will parallel to N. This is a simple concept. Lines parallel to same line are parallel to each other. Based on this concept, this kind of the questions are very important. See here, it is given this angle is 135, this is 40, and these lines are parallel. We need to find this x, m, y. So we will construct a line which is parallel to these two lines. 135, so this angle will be 45 because interior opposite angles. The lines are parallel, so interior opposite angle sum is 180. So this is 45 and this is 40. So this portion will be 40. Alternate angle concept. So 45 and 40, this 85. So you do practice of this kind of the question from previous paper and refresher also. These are very important. See, this is 45. This example is very easy, and this 6 is also very easy based on lines parallel to same line. Now in 6.2, listen, third question is very important. You have to do this kind of the question, not the same. This is very easy. You find out the same kind of the question, and this is also important. In fact, these all four are very important, but this is most important. And solution I already given in my videos, so you can find out in the playlist class 9 maths. So my dear student, this was a quick revision of the NCERT chapter 6 lines and angles. If you are having any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Now we will see the next chapter 7 triangle in the next video. Thank you.